What's up, everybody? It's your boy Vinny, back at it with another video. As you guys can read from the title, today I'm making a video on these APDTY suspension bypass modules. My customer picked these up on Amazon for really cheap. Customer's complaint was service suspension light was on and the vehicle was not allowed to pass 80 miles per hour. The music volume was even restricted. So it kind of threw itself into some type of weird limp mode. This is a 2013 Cadillac Escalade. And I'm going to be honest, this is fairly cheap fix. If it works, this is my first time actually installing these. So that's why I thought I'd make a video. Didn't see too much videos out there on how to install these because, well, they are very simple. But first and foremost, the plug up top on top of your rear shock, you want to go ahead and disconnect it. Pull it to where you have more room because you are going to need to chop these wires. The green and the blue wires, you will have to chop them, strip them a little bit, and the kit actually comes with some crimpers, zip ties, these red crimpers they came with. I was told it doesn't matter which way you connect them, either way it will work. I just connected them this way first, tried it out, seemed to not have any issues, so I figured, okay, let's go ahead and zip tie them up, secure them in a very secure place where they're not going to vibrate too much or bang around and damage the module. But let's cross our fingers, guys. If it's something simple like this, I know you can save yourself a lot of money. As long as you're not towing. Okay, check oil light. Yeah, okay, so we're going to be doing a oil change in the future. We spoke about that, but customer was mainly concerned. Yep, bam. No more service light. By now, that service light would have been on. It would have said service suspension. I know you guys know what I'm talking about if you're looking at this video. So, yeah, guys, we just got one last thing to do. Let's take it on the highway and see if we can at least reach past 80. All right, here we go. Let's see, 45, 50. All right. Get in there, get in there, get in there, get in there. So before it used to actually literally stop you right at 80. But of course it would say, oh, so close. So close. Let's try this again. Try this again. Like I was saying, it'll literally stop you at 80. 81, 82. There it is. Done deal. Problem's fixed. 85. All right. Well, there it is. AC's blowing. Crazy how something simple can fix such an expensive repair. I hope this video really helps. If you guys do end up purchasing it, you know, it is a risk. It may work, it may not work, but in this case, it did work. So I wish you guys luck on your guys' issues. Till next time.